If you are trying to reset Windows 11 or 10 and you get the error, "A required drive partition is missing" error, then this means that your partition might be corrupted or damaged. So in order to fix this problem, you need to scan your drive for errors. First, restart your PC and press your F9 key repeatedly to access the automatic repair screen. If the F9 key is not working, try your other F keys like F2, F3, etc. Now open Troubleshoot. Open Advanced Options. Open Command Prompt. Choose your user account. Type your account password. Type CHKDSKD:/F/R and then press Enter. D being my hard drive. Yours could be C or E, etc. Now the scan will begin to look for disk errors to repair them. Type exit and press enter to leave command prompt. Now try to reset your PC again. Type disk part and press enter. Type list disk to list your computer drives, then press enter. Look for your Windows installation disk. Mine is disk 0, but yours could have a different number. Type. Select disk, then add the number of your disk. Type the clean command, then press enter. Type convert GPT. Now type exit to leave disk part. Type exit again to leave command prompt. Now type refresh.